Overdenture roots. Single spheres, posts, castable spheres, cast root posts, single titanium spheres. Lab technique to produce single cast posts over roots without welding, using castable and titanium single spheres positioned in parallel to each other. Castable single spheres, Normo Micro. Prefabricated titanium single spheres, tin coated for gluing. Pages 18 and 19. To find the right position of the spheres and be able to set up teeth aesthetically, prepare a trial mask of the denture with waxed up teeth. If needed, it's possible to reline the castable post onto root canal using self-curing resin or wax. Always remove the sphere that comes with the castable post and smooth down the cover surface as much as possible. Seal up the cervical board of the cover using wax. Mark the position on the trial mask where hypothetically the castable sphere will fit using a marker. It's also possible to reduce the thickness of the sphere base, being careful not to compromise its shape, since the space between the retentive cap and the sphere's base is necessary for the correct functionality of the attachment. Gluing the sphere to the cover will make future steps easier. The positioning ring set over the sphere will protect it from stains during waxing up. Remove cover. Check and refine the flank board, sprue it and cast. The spheres being positioned in parallel following the trial mask directions, you will most probably notice a different direction compared to the cover axis. Working closely to the naked sphere, always be very careful not to polish it or wear it out, especially around its equator. To avoid these inconveniences, always protect the sphere, snapping a black processing cap over it. Polish cover well in order to avoid plaque receptacles. It's not necessary to polish the sphere. Just lightly touch it with cotton burrs in order to smooth it up gently without wearing it out. Following the suggestions provided in this very easy lab procedure, you will obtain the following results. A. Longer life of the retentive caps. B. Reduced stressing of main abutments. C. Venture stability and patient satisfaction. Overdenture roots. cast posts with prefabricated titanium single sphere inserted and glued. These single titanium spheres, extra coated with tin, can be cemented to the sliding base with retentive undercut. If preferred, they can also be laser welded. Techniques to prepare the root cover still as previously illustrated and can be adjusted by the technician as desired. Slide the sphere into the castable base and position it in parallel using the parallelometer key. Glue the castable base on the cover to secure it in place. Pull out the sphere from the base, sprue and cast it. After casting has been sandblasted, use an old burr and sharp up its tip needle-like in order to refine the base's frame corners without wear or altering it. Work on the undercuts and interlocks carefully in order to maintain as much precision as possible. It's possible to reduce the thickness of the two small tracks, shaped into the base, in order to make easier the insertion of the sphere when it slides inside. Refine and polish any area of the cover to obtain better aesthetic results and promote good hygiene. Before cementing the sphere into the base on the cover, always remove any grease from surfaces. To glue the sphere, use a dual parts composite cement, non-light curing or composite anaerobic cement. Because of parallelism and aesthetic principles during lab techniques, the sphere may appear not on axis with the post. Finish denture in resin with cured cast reinforcement obtained using OT box castable components.